Hi guys, so welcome to today's class. Today we are going to be dealing with on subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of fractions. I remember yesterday we established that there are actually three steps. When we are playing with addition or subtraction of fractions, we go in three steps. The first thing we do is to we change the mixed numbers to improper fraction. The second thing we do is we bring together the fractions, bring them together using their LCM. The fractions. Is that okay? Using their LCM. And now the third thing we do is we simplify. Third thing we do is we simplify. You need to take note of these three steps. When we are dealing with addition or subtraction of fractions, the first thing we do is that we change the mixed numbers there to improper fraction. Then secondly, we bring down together the fractions using their LCM, their lowest common multiple. And then the third thing we do is to simplify. Now I'm going to solve this example for us. I'm going to do three examples for us today. The first one is this easy one. The second one is this one where there is more than two fractions. And the third example I'm going to do for us is the one that has both an element of addition and subtraction inside it. Those that have both an element of addition and subtraction inside it. So let's start with this one. The first thing we have to do is to change the mixed number to improper fraction. So we have, remember I told that denominator times whole number plus numerator all over whole number. I remember I told you that yesterday, times whole plus numerator all over denominator. I remember I gave you something like this last time. So if we want to change two whole number 2 over 3 to improper fraction, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? We have 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 over 3. Minus this one is already an improper fraction. So let's just write it down like that. 4 over 7. So we've done the first step, changing them to mixed number. The next thing we are going to do is we'll be going to bring that together the fractions using their common multiple. Now, what is the common multiple of 3 and 7? Common multiple of 3 and 7 is 21. You can just check it out. Common multiple of 3 and 7. 3 can cancel 3. We have 1. 3 cannot play on 7, so I bring down my 7. 7 can go here. I have 1 and 1. So 3 times 7 is equal to 21. So our LCM, our new LCM is going to be, this is going to give us, our new LCM is going to be 21, right? So what am I going to do next? I'm going to say 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3 is going to give me 7, right? Now, the next thing I'll do is what? 7 times 8. 7 times 8 should give me 56. 7 times 8 will give me 56, of course. Minus, I'll do the same thing here. I'll say 21 divided by 7 is going to give me 3, right? I'll say 3 times 4 will give me 3 times 4 will give me 12. So if I see, this is the second step. I've brought them, this is the first step. Change them to improper fraction. Second step, I bring them together doing their LCM. Now third step is to simplify, right? So 56 minus 12. 6 minus 2 will give me 4. 5 minus 1 will give me what? 4 all over 21. This will give me the same thing. Now 44 divided by 21 is the same thing as 2 whole number. What is remaining? 2 times 21 will give me 42. So it's remaining 2 over 21. This is my answer. Sometimes you can leave your answer like this or like this. It's still the same. Is that okay? Now, for the second example I want to solve, if we have three fractions, I want to subtract from all of them. We just go about it the same way we go about the first one. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to change the mixed numbers to improper fraction. If you have any question, remember you can always ask me any question in this. If we have, let's change this to mixed number. Remember, 5 times 4 will give us 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So we have 23 over 5 minus, this already is mixed, is improper fraction, so we'll just bring it down. Then the last one, we have 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 4 over 3. So this is the first step. We've changed all of them to improper fraction. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring them together using their common LCM. Now, what is the LCM of 2, 5, and 3? LCM of 2, 5, and 3. 2, 5, and 3. 2 can go here. I'll have 1 here. I'll bring down my 5. And my 3 will still come down. 3 can go. 1, 5 will come down. And my 3 can play on 3 and I have 1. Then 5 can come. I have 1, 1, 1. So the LCM, so my new LCM is going to be 30. Is that okay? So I'm going to have 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 23. What is 6 times 23? 6 times 3 is 12. I'll carry 1. 6 times 2. Sorry, 6 times 3 is 18. I'll carry 1. Then 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Right? Then for the second one, minus 30 divided by 2 is 15. Right? 15 times 5. 15 times 5 is 75. Right? The last thing is 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 times 4 is 40. Right. So now what do I have? I can say 138 minus 75 minus 40. What do we have? 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 0 is still the same 3. 13 minus 7 will give me 13 minus 7 will give me 4, right? Yeah, but 13 minus 7 will give me 6. Yes. 6 minus 4 will give me 2. So I have 23. So this will give us the same thing as 23 over 30. Right? 23 over 30. So this is a proper fraction. We can leave it